Here's how to use dual Instagram apps. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted two different Instagram apps, maybe with separate accounts so that you can check one and the other, I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, you'll be able to see Instagram app here. If I open up the App Store on my iPhone and head into search and I search for Instagram, of course, you probably already knew this, but if I open up Instagram here, it doesn't allow me to download and install a new version of it. It only says open the existing version that's already on there. However, I have two different options to duplicate or clone this app. The first one is to swipe over to the app library, and there you can see it's Instagram. I can press and hold and drag it all the way over here. And now you can see I have two Instagram apps. However, there's a caveat to this. If I open up one, you'll be able to see it looks like this, Daily Show. And if I open up the other one and exit out of here, it's the exact same thing. So they're logged into the exact same account. It's two apps, but they're identical. My guess is that you probably want two separate accounts on two different apps. And you can do that using a trick. So let me remove this duplicate one and I'll show you how it works. So now that that's removed, let's open up Safari on your iPhone and we're going to go to Instagram.com. Now the cool thing is you can log into a separate Instagram account on Instagram.com and we're going to add this to your home screen like an app. To do that, we're going to tap the three dots at the bottom right and then we're going to tap on Share at the very top. Now, from here, all you need to do is tap on the More option at the bottom right, and you'll see towards the bottom is Add to your home screen, aka it kind of adds an app version of it. So tap Add to home screen. You can see it automatically pops up with Instagram and the Instagram logo and hit Add. Now they look identical, but you open up one and it opens up just like this on the basically normal account that you originally had. And you open up the other one and just like that, you can log into a separate account on that separate but dual app for Instagram. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.